show you guys a quick video on how to check your central AC unit, especially with the mobile home. It could be used for a traditional home, but I want to show you how to fix this problem. And the problem normally is the AC is blowing. As you can see, this string is blowing, but the air is hot. So what's happening is that your inside unit is working, your blower is working on the inside of the home. Let's look at it. You can hear it. It's blowing. Hear it running. So this is fine. This is not our issue. I want to show you, you have to go outside and fix this problem. The problem, it's normally a $30, $40 problem, 50 bucks the most. You can do this yourself. Call a technician, let them know what you're experiencing. It's normally out here at your outside unit, and it's the fan not blowing. You see, it's not spinning. We saw our unit turning on the inside, blowing on the inside, but it's not spinning here. You can see that the fan wants to turn. Let me tap on it a little bit. But it's your capacitor that's bad. I'll put a picture of it. I tapped the fan earlier and it spun, but 9 times out of 10 it's a capacitor issue, and your capacitor is found right behind this panel. So you would unscrew this panel, make sure you disconnect your power, and then you would pull out your capacitor, which is, like I said, 30, 40, 50 bucks. Reconnect your wires. Remember which wires you disconnected and the position that it was in, and you'll flip the power back on once you have it installed, and that's it, solve your issue. So I would start with that first. That's normally your cheapest fix. Now if that doesn't work, you'll have to replace your motor fan. But that's the issue, guys. When your AC is blowing and it's not blowing hot, you either have a capacitor issue on the outside, or you have your fan motor not blowing, because the fan is not spinning and bringing in the cool air, which then goes on the inside to the inside unit. But hope this helps you guys. It's a cheap fix. All you have to do is unscrew this panel, remove the capacitor, which I showed you, and remember what wires you disconnected and where. Replace it. Again, disconnect the power. Probably turn all the power off at the breaker, and then once you install it, cut your power back on and see if your fan blows, if your fan starts to turn. That should fix your problem. Thank you.